Okay, here we have the data we downloaded from the census, the fact finder. It's huge. Um, we are first gonna do a little bit of the cleaning, which is basically we are gonna use line 5, I mean row 5, to put every name, which will be total. That's total of Hispanic and Latino. Here is his total of population, Hispanic. The next one, or Latino by tracks, total Hispanics on total of population, Hispanic or Latino. This is non-Hispanic or Latino, population of non-Hispanics or Latino. This population is, let me check, what is it? Um, this is not Hispanic or Latino by race. The next one will be not H or L, only white, black or African American, American Indian. So that will be the same thing. No H or L, black and American Indian, and you could add that to the rest. After that, we wouldn't need any more these 4 lines. So I'm canceling the lines right now. Close, and delete. And I'm also killing. I'm sorry, I thought I have killed all the lines at the same time. Delete. So we only stay with. I'm sorry, I'm deleting one by one instead of all at the same time, which was what I wanted to do. You can go here also, file, edit, delete, entire row. Okay, I'm gonna delete also the row number 2 that we don't need. I got edit, delete, entire row. And here we go now to look at our census. And you can see this is the column where it has the information of which tract or which census tract belongs. But there is a major difference with Santa Fe. Miami-Dade has way too many census tract 500s. I don't want to correct 500 one by one. So this is the idea I came in with. First, I'm gonna create a column here. So insert a column. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy all this information. So I'm gonna select the whole column, just clicking here, and then copy, Control C, and then paste, Control V. And here I have the columns. And now, well, first I'm gonna look at everything that finishes in 0, because it's gonna give me a problem later and I'm gonna have to correct it. This is a little trick, so I'm gonna put it in yellow. I know that finishes in 0. Let's see this one as well. I know this is not pretty, but it's gonna save us a lot of time. This one finishes in 0. Because what I'm gonna do is gonna make it disappear, the 0. So I need to be very careful, don't forget any. If not, I will get in trouble afterwards. So I hope my mind is not making me any tricks. But this is not a very accurate way of doing this, now that I think about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it, and I'm improvising here. Bear with me for a second. I'm gonna try to look Control F for anything that has a 0. Finance. Okay, here there was a 0. That doesn't worry me. But what I'm trying to look, this one I put it in yellow. Oh yes, I remember it's 203, and I will go back to it. Yes, we need to know everything that finishes in 0, 289, and I will go back to that, because eventually we are going to have to correct those. 313, 370, I don't know where I am. Anyway. My cursor has already found everything that finishes in 0. Oh, it's with the 100. Oh. Okay, here. 319, 300, sorry. What I'm looking at is the numbers, the track number that finish in 10, and I'm putting the numbers that agree with them. For example, this one over here, the road is in row 396. Minus. So this done on this one in row 519. So now I'm closing this part, and I'm going back and putting in yellow this one. Oh, undo. Putting in yellow these ones. And the reason why I'm doing this is because in a second you're going to understand it. Is because I want to make sure that I correct them afterwards. The correction that I'm going to do won't allow me to do that. If not, 260. 263. I would put every number that I found, 289, that had a 10. Good. In yellow. 315. When I finish doing that, I'm going to start playing with this column that I'm going to name matching column. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. I'm going to go File, Replace. Sorry, Edit, Replace. The first thing we are going to replace is Census tract, and then a space by a space. Replace all. It did 190 selection. Now I'm gonna put comma Miami / Dade. I'm gonna make sure that I write it exactly as it is on the road, Miami / Dade, space county, comma Florida, and I'm gonna replace it with a space and replace all 190. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, as you can see, is I'm gonna convert, I close this part of replacing, I go again to format, cell, and we'll convert all these in test. Okay. So now what happened? You remember the yellow ones? Because I converted it in test. Okay, let's go back to my yellow markers. You're gonna see. Instead of being 2.20, put 0.2 because what I did. So I need to correct it and put a 0 so it will match this other census. Here I will have to do the same again. So this is how I'm creating a clean column. And this is my little trick. I hope you enjoy it.